In today's class, we are starting in chapter coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, we are using numbers to explain different geometrical concepts. Here we are using two mutually perpendicular straight lines. The horizontal straight line we called as x-axis and the vertical straight line we called as y-axis. Both these lines intersect at a point, that point we called as origin. And here we can see the figure. These two coordinate axes divide the plane into four parts. Each one is known as quadrant. Here quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. By using these two coordinate axes, you can locate the point in a plane. So there are certain key points are there. We can see that point here. First one, we require two perpendicular axes to locate a point in the plane. One of them is horizontal and the other one is vertical. The plane is called the Cartesian plane and the axes are called as coordinate axis or axes. If only one axis is there, then we call it as axis. If both the vertical lines are there, we call it as axis. The horizontal axis is called x-axis and the vertical axis is called y-axis. And the point of intersection of the axis is called origin. And another point, the distance of a point from y-axis is called x-coordinate or abscissa. It is another name of x-coordinate. And the distance of the point from x-axis is called y-coordinate or ordinate. Y-coordinate is also called ordinate. The distance of a point from y-axis is called x-coordinate or abscissa and the distance of the point from x-axis is called y-coordinate or ordinate. The origin has zero distance from both the x-axis and y-axis so that its abscissa and ordinate both are 0. So the coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. The point on the x-axis has 0 distance from x-axis. So the coordinate of any point on the x-axis will be x, 0. This is the general form of a point on the x-axis. You can write first you can write the x-coordinate, then the y-coordinate is always 0. If a point lies on x-axis, then the y-coordinate will be 0. And similarly, a point on the y-axis has 0 distance from y-axis. So coordinate of any point on the y-axis will be 0, y. That means if a point lies on the y-axis, then the coordinate of that point will be in the form of 0, y. That means x-coordinate will be 0. It is always 0 and only y-coordinate will be there. And the axes divide the Cartesian plane into 4 parts and these 4 parts are called the quadrants. There are 4 quadrants. Here you can see the 4 quadrants. The Cartesian plane, the coordinate axis, the x-axis and y-axis together called coordinate axis. Here for example you can take a point here P 1, 4. We will write the coordinate of a point as an ordered pair xy. First you will write x coordinate, second you write y coordinate. So here P 1, 4. That means the x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate is 4. X coordinate is 1 means this point P is 1 unit away from the y axis. So this distance from the y axis that we called as x coordinate. Here the y coordinate is 4. That means this point P is 4 unit away from x-axis. So here you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 unit. Here point P is 4 unit away from x-axis. So we can write this point as 1, 4. Similarly, the second quadrant, here the x coordinate will be negative. Negative numbers we are writing here. So the point Q is minus 4, 3. Minus 4, 3 means here x coordinate is 4 unit away from y axis, but it lies in the left side of the y axis. So we are taking here as minus 4. Similarly, y coordinate is 3. That means this point Q is 3 unit away from x axis. Similarly, you can take this point R also, minus 2, minus 4, and other point S is 2, minus 2. So here you remember the point is represented as Pxy. We can generalize this point, you take as a P in bracket x, y. That means first you will write x coordinate and secondly you write y coordinate. So you remember here xy, ordered pair xy and ordered pair yx, both are different, they are not same. Suppose there is a point P 1, 4. Then P 4, 1 is another point. Here suppose x equal to 4. 4, 1 mean here it will come. Here x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 1. So this point is 1, 4. So here ordered pair xy is not equal to ordered pair yx. So this thing you have to remember, and also the sign of the coordinate. Here you can see in the first quadrant we are taking here x coordinate is positive and y coordinate also positive. That means in the first quadrant x coordinate and y coordinate is positive. Similarly, in second quadrant here x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. And third quadrant both the coordinates, that means x coordinate and y coordinate are negative. And fourth quadrant x coordinate is positive, here the positive values are here, and y coordinate is negative. That you have to remember. Also same thing here, it is given the same figure, coordinate here, first coordinate, first quadrant, second quadrant, and here fourth quadrant. So in generally you can take suppose a point P, A, B. A means this distance A. A is x coordinate, distance of the point from y axis, and B is the distance of the point from x axis. Now you can see one question here from the exercise. I think second question. See the figure and write the following. First you write the coordinate of B. Coordinate of B, you can look at the figure. Here coordinate of B, here first you will write x coordinate. X coordinate is minus 5 and y coordinate is 2. So coordinate of B is minus 5, 2. It is an ordered pair, minus 5, 2. Second question, find the coordinate of C. First you find the point C. Here C is here. Here x coordinate we can write 5. 5 is the x coordinate, that means from the x axis you will get x coordinate. Corresponding y coordinate is minus 5. So this point C is 5, minus 5. Similarly, you can find out the point identified by the coordinate minus 3, minus 5. So you have to read the question and you have to write the answers. Answers are here. Third one, minus 3, minus 5, that point E. Point E is coordinate of the point E is minus 3 and minus 5. So this question you have to write down in your classwork copy. Then you can summarize this. So you have to remember this. The quadrant. First quadrant, both the coordinates are positive. Second, first x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive, and third quadrant, both the coordinates are negative, and the fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. And x coordinate is also called abscissa, and y coordinate is also called ordinate.